In this video we're going to have a look at the user-defined field follow update. On every job there's a custom field that we have put in. You can see this field here. This field is not standard and can be created in Settings. Go into Settings, User-Defined Fields. If not present already, create as shown. The follow update is used to remind the business that something should have been done or actioned by a certain date. Let's go into a customer and create a job for them. Create the job as shown and then put in a follow update. In this example we're creating a quote for the customer that should be done by a certain date in the future. So we put in the job details, then add a follow update. Also we have to change the stage to creating quote. The combination of the stage and the follow update tells us what we have to do and by when. Now save the job. Now we're going to have to look at the job list and use the filter that says to follow up. We should run this filter frequently, perhaps every day. We could even create a recurring task to remind us to do this. Running the filter now doesn't show the job we just created, as it's still in the future. So let's change its date to today. Rerunning the filter and the job shows up as needing action. On a daily basis you should check all these jobs, do the work that is necessary on them and change their stage and follow update as necessary. Here we can see that the quote hasn't been prepared. We prepare the quote and send it to the customer. Now we can see that the quote has been sent. There is an email and the document attached to the job. So now we have to update the stage of the job and put in a new follow update, this time to follow up the quote. In this way we can track all of our jobs that need actions on them in a simple and efficient way. If we rerun the filter then we can see that the job no longer appears in our list. Our objective would be to always keep this list empty. We hope you found this video useful. For more information go to www.onebizapp.co.uk.